Oh, morning everybody, it's StackSmart here again, and I've updated the cover art on the channel to reflect the Christmas time, so Merry Christmas to everybody. And yeah, so we're up at 1473 subs. I'd like to get that up to 1500 by Christmas if we can, so if you haven't subscribed then please hit subscribe below the video, and I'll bring you weekly content on silver markets and which silver coins to buy as the best investments. So let's get straight in, continuing the Christmas theme. And one thing I've really noticed over the last few years since I started stacking in 2011 is that December is always a really fantastic time to buy silver, because it seems that the Fed want to bash it down right at the end of the year. I think it's to discourage people from thinking that silver's a good investment. So this is a chart in my CMC program of the last 1, 2, 3, 4 years at Christmas, and you can see on the charts here that just at the end of the year there's always a spike down as we're coming towards the new year at Christmas time. So shown in these 4 boxes here, and it's no different this Christmas. We're at a very low point on the silver charts at the moment. So as you can see, we've got box 1 there back in the end of 2012 with a spike down and then a rally just after Christmas. We've got a spike down just prior to New Year in 2014 there with a spike low. We've also got one at the beginning of December here in 2014, and now we're having one just in December time in 2015. So it's a very interesting pattern that's shown there. Seems to be like something that's been agreed, that there'll always be a Smackdown just before Christmas, and that kind of scuppered the plans a little bit for the rally that we were tracking last week. I'd forgotten about this pattern in the charts, so we got a reversal on the rally that we'd started that I thought that was going to power through. Forgot about Christmas time, and as you can see here, it hit my low that I'd predicted a few weeks ago instead. So that was very interesting to see it do that. Now it's difficult to know as to what it's going to do next with that. I'm going to sit tight and have a look. Because it's completely manipulated at this time of year, it's difficult to do any technical analysis, but it is interesting, as you've seen with that macro chart, to see that every December is exactly the same, that this spike the metal down and then it rallies after Christmas. One thing I will say is it's probably worth, when we get to the bottom of this capitulation, it's worth probably buying, because I don't think we'll see these values again early in the new year, because it tends to rally off this December low, and it has done for the last 3 or 4 years. So it's an interesting technical analysis from over the years for that. I was expecting the Koalas to appear on silver to go, but there's no sign of them of yet, so I'm hoping that by the time I get my Christmas salary, 23rd of December-ish, that the Koalas will have appeared for the new year. I'm going to pick up a few of those. Yeah, so that's pretty much it today. I think we've potentially could see it go either way off this capitulation that we've had last few days down to 13.8, and these are the new products in at silver to go that I've bought myself some kookaburras and some pandas last week that look really good, but they're not being shipped out till the pandas are ready, which will be in about a week or 2 weeks time, so looking forward to that. Anyway, so I should do another video next weekend, but everyone have a lovely Christmas, and I'll catch up with you next time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and let's stack smart together. Have a fantastic time. Speak soon, bye.